Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to install XAMPP server on your computer. This is basically for those that don't have a live server. So this will give you the opportunity to be able to build your website on your computer. So the first thing you need to do is to go to search for either you're using XAMPP or WAMP. So XAMPP server, just search for XAMPP server. You visit their website. So when you get to their website, can basically download based on your computer bit. Either you are downloading XAMPP or WAMP. I already have it installed on my computer here. So, or you come to download WAMP, W-A-M-P. WAMP is more upgraded than XAMPP. So I prefer using WAMP compared to XAMPP. So same thing, just search for it on Google, then you can find their website, wampserver.com. So if you click on their website, and you can come scroll down to WAMP server based on your computer. So my computer is 64 bits, so that's what I'm going for. This one here is 86 bits. However, mine is 64, so I'll click on download. So instead of me filling this their form here, I can just simply click. You can download it directly. So once I click that, automatically it shows me that my download will start in 5 seconds. So 1 and 0. So you can see that it's downloading. However, I'm going to pause this one because I already have one installed on my, I already have downloaded on my computer. So basically, I'll come back to my file and click on download. If I search for WAMP, WAMP. So this is WAMP and this is XAMPP. So whichever one you want to use among the two. So you can simply follow the same process, click on it, then install. So just click OK and follow the process like this. I accept the agreement. Click on next, next. Then if you're a beginner, you don't need to change anything there. But for those that are professional, you might want to add the of anything. But for me, I prefer to just manage the default settings that I have there. So I have the MySQL and I have the WAMP, Apache and PHP 5.6. That's the one that is installing for me here. So just click on next as well, next, then install. So this might take a bit time, so you can just wait for it to finish installing. Okay, now you'll see at this point it's asking you to select your default browser. So that's the browser you're going to be using to run your server. The one it's showing me here is my Internet Explorer, and I would not want to use that. You can choose to change that. Like I said, do you want to choose another browser installed on your computer? So it's best to change to a more upgraded browser. Either you are using Chrome or Firefox. So I want to change this, yes. So I'll come here, search for my Chrome. There are two ways at which you can do that. It's either you come to your local disk, click on program file, then search Google. That's if you want to use your Chrome, search Google. Then this is Chrome. You should find Chrome there, your application, Chrome. But I don't want to use Chrome. I want to use my Firefox. So I can come back to my local disk. If you can check your program file and find Firefox. If you can't find on your local disk, the other option, okay, this is it here, Mozilla Firefox. So you can just click on this. And the other option to do that is you can just go to your desktop background and search for your browser. This is my Chrome and this is my three dots. I also have Firefox here. So I can just select Firefox, then I'll click on open. Now, apart from that, it will also ask you which text editor do you want to use, like text editor. So the one I have installed on my computer here is Notepad. If you have other text editor like Sublime Text, you can choose to change it as well and select that. So let's say I have Sublime Text, I can just come to search for it, but I don't have Sublime Text on my computer installed. So I'll just maintain the default one that I have there, which is Notepad, and that will be all. So now it should be done now. Okay. So it will give you just this like a brief of how your server is going to work. So I'm going to show you when your server is on, how you know that it's on. So I just click on next again, then finish. Now I have installed WAMP on my computer. Same thing applicable to XAMPP. Just that this XAMPP, it gave me some issues. So if you are using like Windows 7, or you can try XAMPP. I am using Windows 10 here, so that's why. So let me come back now and let's check how do I know if my WAMP is working fine. So after you have installed your WAMP, the next thing you need to do is you need to launch it. Just click on it, look at it installed there, click on it. So it will show you this, like the system screen, administrator and the likes. So once that is done, you will see, look at it, it's showing on my tax bar. When it is turned on as red color, you can see that the color changed from red, orange, and green. When it's on red, it shows you that it means that your server is not working. But when it's on green like this, it means that now your server is live and it is working. So how do I know if this server is working fine? So, don't forget that the browser I selected earlier on was Firefox. So I'll come to Firefox and type local host. You can see that it's even showing me my local host here. Just click on local host and click enter. So this is it. I have my server already installed on my computer. So once you have this installed, it simply means that your server is fine and is active. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you are going to install or set up your PHP admin, and as well set up your install WordPress on your server. Thank you.